Meaning of electrification.
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 Electrification. Electrification refers to the process of converting a system or device from using non-electric power to using electricity. The result of electrification is the availability of reliable, efficient, and clean energy that can power appliances, machinery, and transportation. This has countless benefits ranging from improved productivity, increased access to education, healthcare, and entertainment, as well as reduced carbon emissions that contribute to climate change. Electrification has played a significant role in transforming societies, powering economies, and improving the standard of living across the globe.